After my Pantene video, some of you have asked me to share a quick and easy everyday makeup look that will have you looking great but out the door in minutes. Well, I got you covered. In today's makeup tutorial, I'll show you how you can shave off major time from your makeup routine by using great multitaskers. I start by applying primer to my face. This will ensure your makeup applies well and will last throughout the day. Now I'm going to apply my foundation using a beauty blender. I use concealer for my dark circles and any blemishes I may have, but feel free to skip this step if you're having a good skin day or just prefer not to go so heavy. My first multitasker is a bronzer. You can use this to warm up your face and contour, and I'll use it again a little later. I personally don't like to skip using a brow pencil because they really do frame your face, but I do skip this step when I'm going to do a very light makeup look, so feel free to do the same. Now I'm going to pick up the bronzer again and use a fluffy Sigma brush to apply it across my crease. This quickly gives my eyes depth and definition in a light and natural way. You can definitely skip this step, but if you want to look like you spent more time and effort on your makeup than you actually did, you can do it by simply using a liquid liner to create a wing or cat eye look. This step will give you the appearance of a more done up look than what you've actually put on. I finish my eyes by applying some mascara. My next multitasker is this Multi Balm by Pixi. I put it on my lips and then apply it on my cheeks for a light natural blush. I still like to use highlighter on my face because it really brightens it up and makes me look fresh. If I need to freshen up my hair, I apply some Pantene dry shampoo foam to my roots. After about a minute, I rub in the foam until all the residue has been absorbed. I then apply some Pantene conditioner spray to the ends of my hair and then brush it out. And here is my final quick and easy 10-minute makeup and hair look. As I mentioned throughout the tutorial, feel free to either remove or add products depending on your preferences and lifestyle. I hope this simply gave you an idea on what you can do on those busy days when you'd like to look a little done up, but don't have the time. Please like and share if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Use that comment section below to write any requests, make any recommendations, or just say hi. You know I love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned.